Hi Sneha.
Hi.
Hi, this is Rajiv here. I'm a diehard fan of D3. I wanted to ask you a few questions.
Sure, go ahead.
Um, can you just tell me that आप monsoon special में क्यों नहीं थे? Because this is the question from every other fan who are there.
Right, right. And I know there are a lot of rumors that are on FB, on a lot of pages on the net. But guys, that's not true at all. The reason I could not be a part of Monsoon Special is because somebody in my family, my dad, was really not well. And I had to be with my family. And there is absolutely no fault of the creatives or the channel or Cinevistas, our production house, nothing like that. In fact, they really, really wanted me to be a part of Monsoon Special, but there was no way possible for me to adjust my dates and my timings because I really wanted to be there for my family. So that's the only reason why I'm not a part of the Monsoon Special. That's all.
But मेरे sources बोलते हैं कि आप और स्वयं you guys don't have a good thing behind the
a,
screen.
a, a few friends of mine also told me that these rumors are also going on. But guys, I mean, look at our other interviews, look at our behind the scenes. ऐसी कोई बात नहीं. I mean, I would laugh if somebody said that there are problems going on between me and Shantanu. Not at all. Um, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. So I don't even know how to react to it because everything is absolutely normal. I think people are thinking कि कुछ problem है क्योंकि I wasn't a part of the monsoon special and he had to bechara use a poster and dance with it again like the Diwali episode. So मेरे और शांतनु के बीच में कोई problems नहीं है. We are very good friends and we have so much of fun together on the sets while we are shooting. So problem की तो बात ही arise नहीं होती.
और ऐसा भी बताया गया है कि यू गाइस हैव आपका क्रिएटिव से थोड़ा बहुत प्रॉब्लम पंगा चल रहा है, इसीलिए आप इज़ देयर एनी अदर मॉनसून स्पेशल के अलावा आप आपका स्वयं का गाना आने वाला है या ऐसा कुछ है?
आ सकता है. ये तो आपके लिए सरप्राइज है. So you'll have to wait and watch. बट हाँ, अगेन क्रिएटिव्स के साथ प्रॉब्लम हो ही नहीं सकती. everyone here at Cinestars is so good, especially Palki Mama, creative head. तो प्रॉब्लम हो ही नहीं सकती. इनफैक्ट आई रियली थैंक Cinevistas for understanding my situation and giving me those leaves because अगर वो लोग adjust नहीं करते, if they didn't let me be with my family, it would have been very depressing. So in fact, I want to thank my production house and the creators for letting me be there with my family.
लेकिन why does all the time you are not there when there is something special happening in D3?
Actually, it's just been, I don't know, my bad luck or a very strong coincidence that has been happening. You see, it started with Diwali special. I had malaria and jaundice at the same time. I was in the hospital. So obviously, hospital se ut ke tha, I could not come for the Diwali episode. So that was something which I was really looking forward to, but I could not be a part of it, unluckily. And again, so I had to dance with the poster. So that's where it started. और फिर जब Girls on We का shoot हुआ था, I had got an eye infection because the entire day before that I was shooting at Cinevista studio and glycerine डाल के I was कुछ infection हो गया था मेरे eye में and then I had to go for the Channel V Girls on We shoot and by the time I reached the shoot my eye was completely infected and red and swollen because of which I could not be a part of that. And then again, unluckily, my dad fell ill during this monsoon special. So, yeah.
Thank you so much.